Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today I will start from the evolution of gas. So look at the book. Gases evolve in many chemical reactions. Some gases have a characteristic odor, can be easily identified. For example, ammonia has a pungent smell and hydrogen sulfide has a smell of rotten eggs. So some gases have special odor to denote sort of a specific chemical reaction. There are chemical tests also for different gases. For example, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. And hydrogen, when ignited, burns with a pop sound. So some gases are there, like carbon dioxide turned lime water milky. It denotes that the carbon dioxide is present there. Same way, when we ignited the hydrogen gas, it burned with a pop sound. Look at the chemical reaction. Sodium plus water, sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. सेम वे एमोनियम क्लोराइड प्लस सॉफ्ट लाइम, अगर हम उसको हीट देंगे क्या प्रोड्यूस होगा? कैल्शियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर प्लस ammonia. So from this part, we can easily know that from a chemical reaction, different gases are released with their specific characters like odor. Like ammonia has pungent smell. Pungent का मतलब क्या है? बहुत तेज तीखा झांझ है उसका. Same way, hydrogen sulfide has the smell of rotten eggs. So some specific gas released in a chemical reaction with a specific odor, smell. Same way, carbon dioxide in a chemical reaction, if released, it can easily turn the lime water into milky. Same way, hydrogen gas, when we ignited, it also start burn with a pop sound. Now an experiment. Take a mixture of ammonium chloride and dry soaked lime in a test tube. Heat the mixture slowly. So normally हम लोग क्या ले रहा है इस टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर? एमोनियम क्लोराइड प्लस ड्राई सॉक्ट लाइम, सूखा चून ले रहा है. दोनों को मिक्सचर अच्छा से मिक्स करने के बाद नॉर्मली हम लोग हीट देंगे. ए पंजेंट स्मेलिंग गैसेस इवॉल्व. एक तो बहुत तीखा झांझ वाला गैस निकल रहा है. Next, place a glass rod which has been moistened with the hydrochloric acid, dipping in the rod into a bottle of concentrated hydrochloric acid at the mouth of test tube. Thick white fumes are formed. मतलब दिखाई दे रहा है. एक तो ग्लास रॉड लेकर नॉर्मली डाइल्यूट HCl के अंदर डुबो के हम अगर टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर घुसा देंगे तो नॉर्मली देखेंगे व्हाइट कलर का फ्यूम्स रिलीज हो रहा है. व्हाइट फ्यूम्स आर जस्ट रिलीज, suggesting that the evolved gas is ammonia because ammonia releases a pungent smell. Instead of heating ammonium chloride with a soaked lime, you could boil ammonium chloride with a solution of high sodium hydroxide. So if we want to release the ammonia from the mixture of ammonium chloride and soaked lime, we can easily dissolve it or boil it with sodium hydroxide instead of heating. So look at the chemical reaction. Once again, here is a test tube and we will take some ammonium chloride and dry soaked lime, सूखा चूना, दोनों को अच्छे से मिला देंगे. उसके बाद हम लोग अगर यहाँ से उसको हीट देंगे, normally from the test tube a pungent smell is released. Normally the gas is ammonia because ammonia has a pungent smell. Then if a glass rod specially dipped with HCl acid, अगर उसके अंदर हम लोग नॉर्मल टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर घुसाएंगे तो देखेंगे व्हाइट फ्यूम्स आर रिलीज्ड. दिस व्हाइट फ्यूम्स आर नॉर्मली ammonia. So normally when we want to separate the ammonia from the mixture of ammonium chloride and soaked lime, we can easily separate out with the using of sodium hydroxide instead of being heating. तो हीट देने के बाद भी अलावा हम लोग नॉर्मली सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यूज करके अमोनिया को अलग कर पाएंगे. When a gas bubbles are formed, usually with a hissing sound due to reaction. The phenomenon is called effervescence. Student, be careful. The definition is very important. What is effervescence? Normally, when the gas bubbles are formed in a chemical reaction, usually with a hissing sound due to the reaction, the phenomenon is called effervescence. So when we occurring a chemical reaction, if some gases evolve with a bubble form and making a hissing sound, this phenomenon is also known as effervescence. You will learn as a form of definition and as well as the fill in the blanks. Next, an example of effervescence is given below. Sodium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid. सोडियम कार्बोनेट प्लस हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड क्या फॉर्म होगा? सोडियम क्लोराइड, आई मीन नॉर्मल कॉमन सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. In case of that, carbon dioxide when released, it form a bubbles and make it hissing sound. This total phenomenon is also known as effervescence. The formation of precipitate. What is precipitate? Basically, precipitate is a semi-solid substance which is formed in a chemical reaction, not dissolved in any solution. The formation of precipitate is also suggestive of a chemical reaction. When any chemical reaction takes place, when precipitate is formed, then the reaction. The chemical reaction is completed. Look at the example. Sodium carbonate plus barium chloride. Both are colorless solution. Sodium carbonate is also colorless. Same way barium chloride is also colorless. After the chemical reaction, barium carbonate is formed. Whereas a white precipitate formed. It is not dissolved in the solution, and sodium chloride. So normally semi-solid the substance form हो रहा है, that is also known as precipitate, jelly-like substance. Another is lead acetate, colorless solution. Potassium iodide, colorless solution. फॉर्म क्या होगा? lead iodide, जिसका कलर क्या है? yellow. precipitate फॉर्म होगा yellow. So potassium acetate also colorless solution. So normally color and precipitate both denotes that the chemical reaction is also completed. Here is the picture. Potassium iodide colorless, lead acetate solution both colorless. When they chemical reacted, the yellow precipitate is formed, that is lead iodide. Now change in state. A change in state also takes place in many reactions. For example, a gaseous mixture of hydrogen and oxygen when ignited gives water vapor. On being cooled, water vapor gives water. So when normally we ignited hydrogen gas in the presence of oxygen, both reacted and form water vapor. When we water vapor cool down, the water vapor turn into water droplets, I mean liquid. So hydrogen plus oxygen gas, water is formed. Also ammonia gases react with hydrogen chloride gas to form ammonium chloride. Look at the example. Ammonia plus hydrogen chloride gas. Both are gas. Same way form ammonium chloride, that is solid. So student, I hope all of you have understood what I have discussed today. So for today, up to this portion, in next class, I will discuss the exercise.